Hi there. This tutorial is going to be looking at your page. You've just been given a page. What do you do? What can you do? And how do you do it? So, first of all, you'll find your page on My Dashboard, and you'll notice that down the side here are all the different pages, all the different pages that you can see. And I'm going to show you one in Sandpit Help. It's My New Page, I've called it, which is what you've got. My New Page. So when you open up your new page, you'll see a welcome. This page has not been customized yet. Some of you are probably past this, and you'll see this calendar module here, and this resource module, and this task module. And this is what they sort of start you off with. I guess it's the modules that they think that you're going to need. Now, doing anything within your page, this little button is probably the key. You see that you've got print page, change layout, and edit page content. And these two here are the ones that you're going to use most often. The one that I want to show you is change the page layout. It's very, very simple, and very, very clever, I think. And you'll notice that there's all these different things that you can do, and you can find all the information on these different modules in the Sandpit. Now at the moment, I just want to keep it really simple. I just want page content. So I'm going to take out resources, just to start with. I'm going to take out tasks, and I'm also going to take out calendar. I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to have page content. Saying that though, you may want to put subpages in, and you can decide where you put that. This is how your page is going to look. I might have it up here. I might have it here, and then I might put resources underneath it. Tasks, calendar, didn't like where calendar is. I'm going to put that now up at the top. So you see that you can manipulate it any way. And even when you've actually filled in, you've added subpages, you can take it off and put it back on, and those subpages will still be there, the same as resources. So to start with, I'm just going to have page content up here. Nice and simple. Save and update page. And you'll notice now that it's just the content. That's all there is. So if I want to edit that, and it tells you here, if I want to edit that, I'll go to edit page content. And that's pretty much the key. Content is sort of the key module that you'll have. Edit page content. And you'll notice that it's very similar to Word. And off you go. You can fill it in. You can type in there. You can paste. You can add pictures, links, colour, and so forth. The other little thing you may be interested in is down here. This is the design page. This is the HTML page. This is where it's all coded. So once you get a whole lot of information there, it comes out of a code. It's like a special sort of different language that the internet needs to be able to know where to put everything. And later on we'll get into a little bit more on that. So this is where you design. This is where you type it in and add pictures and so forth. Don't forget every time to click the update page content, because if you don't do that, then everything you've done won't be there. So there's my magnificent page at the moment. Not very exciting. Just to go back to the modules, anything that you do add, when you do add categories in, and I'm going to put categories in calendar, don't forget to always save and update page. Whenever you put in modules, you'll notice that the modules will always come up with options, and that's how you manipulate or modify those modules. So I've activated, a module, and I'm a category now. I can edit and so forth. And with calendar, activate module, calendar title. We'll just call it school to start with. Very simple, and then suddenly up will come a calendar when I activate the module. Oh, it didn't work. School, yes, publish that, create a calendar, and up will come the calendar and so forth. So there you go. Very, very simple start for you to get you going on getting your page set up. One final thing, if you're not using any of these things, rather than just have categories there with nothing, looks a little bit sort of out of place, just move it. Just move it and put it away. Better to have just what's actually working there rather than having a whole lot of things that aren't. So there we go. That's a tutorial on starting up your page. Good luck.